Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, isa-share ko lang kung ano yung laman ng ref namin. So tara, let's start touring around our ref. Okay, so I'm not doing this para mag-brag, okay? Ano lang, parang for fun, kasi wala din ako masyadong magawa during this quarantine period. So are you guys ready? Comment down below. Okay, so let's start dito sa may door ng ref. Sa bandang taas is mostly Nestle Mango Yogurt. So marami kaming stock niyan kasi pwede siyang gawing breakfast and maganda siya sa digestion, and pwede rin siyang gawing light dinner. Meron rin kaming Alaska Crema All-Purpose Cream. Ayan. And then dito naman is may Nata de Coco ni Tita Eddie. Tapos may Nestle All-Purpose Cream ulit kami dito. Meron din kaming Pilsen, peanut butter, orange marmalade, tapos may black olives. Ayan. Tapos dito naman is may Coke and mga milk and Selecta and Cowhead. Okay, next section naman is itong nandito. So dito nakalagay yung mga eggs namin, which is brown eggs. Ayan. Tapos meron din kaming cabbage and may mga tofu. So gagawa ko ng sizzling tofu bukas, which is ipapakita ko sa separate video. So abangan nyo yun guys. So next naman is yung pinaka-healthy na section na part ng ref. So ito. Ayan. So dito meron, ano ba to? Mixed greens. So pwede siyang gawing salad, and pwede rin siyang i-partner sa mga pork or beef pang samgyeopsal. Ayan. Tapos meron ding ampalaya. Dalawa. Okay. Tapos may pechay. Baguio pechay ito eh. Yan. And then may mga string beans. May carrots and garlic. So sa next section naman is yung mga fruits. So meron kaming orange, apples, and mga bulok na banana. Tapos may mga tomato dito. Ayan. Next part naman is yung cucumber, ano to? Cauliflower, sayote. Mas madaming luya kasi gumagawa ako dito ng salabat, which is good for your respiratory health. Tapos may cabbage din, and garlic ulit, and onions. Dito naman tayo sa may freezer. Nandito yung mga processed meats namin. Ayan. Nakalabas yung hotdog ko. No. Ba't ka lumalabas? Ayan. So may hotdog kami from Tender Juicy. May mga hotdogs ulit from ano naman to? Frabel. And then meron din kaming Chicken Joy from Jollibee. So ito yung ready to cook na nila. Ayan, ribbon wing. Actually, inagaw ko dun sa ibang customer kanina sa supermarket. Tapos meron din kami ditong bacon. And ito naman is, hindi ko sure kung ice cream or isda kasi sa rumito to. Ice cream. Yan. Okay, ito naman yung next. Okay. Yan. More hot dogs. And hot dogs. And hot dogs. Bacon ulit. Hotdog ulit. Bacon ulit. Tapos mayroon ditong ground pork. And then mga butter and even cheese. So yun lang guys yung laman ng ref namin. So ito lang guys, mostly yung naman ng ref namin, and feeling ko naman abot sila ng 2 weeks para yun, hindi kami lumabas ulit. Okay, so may papakita pala akong ibang section dito, yung unhealthy section sa may konto namin, which is comprised of canned foods and mga chips. So nandun sila sa may taas. So, ito yung mga canned goods namin and mga chips. So, meron kami dito mga corned beef, iba't ibang klase, Highlands, Pure Foods, Deli Monto. Ayun, meron din kami ditong Century Tuna, Flakes in Oil, Seasoning Sisig from Pure Foods, Ligo Sardines, Spam, and peanut butters. Tapos ito yung mga instant noodles namin. May pancit canton and mee goreng. Tapos meron din kaming crab and corn soup from Knorr. And then may yakisoba din kami. At yung mga breadings for the chicken. Tapos ito naman yung mga chips. Ayan. May V-Cut, may Chippy, may Clover, Ding Dong, and basta iba't ibang klase ng chips and crackers. Ayan. So yan guys, I'm done touring you around the ref, and again, mag-stock up lang kayo ng food na tama lang, and please be considerate sa ibang tao, huwag kayong mag-hoard. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for my next videos. Bye!